friends, welcome to the Christmas ornament collaboration. In this video, I will be doing all Dollar Tree Christmas ornaments. Our host is Crafty Hints, and our co-hosts are Rustic and Lay's DIY and 6 Kids and a Glue Gun. Please check out their channel in my description box, and check out the playlist in my description box and in the comment section. It will also be pinned, so you can go and visit the other creators to find more Christmas ornament ideas for your tree this year. If you haven't joined the family, please do. I'm going to be doing lots and lots of Christmas DIY this year. I'm also going to be in the 12 Days of Christmas. Starting November 8th, I will be doing 12 Christmas DIYs, and there's going to be a lot that are Dollar Tree DIYs if you like Dollar Tree. Okay, I got this pack of ornaments, which I thought it was really kind of pretty, but I thought we could update it. So I got these or these. I thought putting the nicer gems on where the silver would be really pretty. And let's try the pink. I think I'll do pink every other one. These here would be easy too. You could do the bigger silver or the turquoise, because these pink ones are hard to cut out. So you could do those. But there's an idea what it'll look like. I'll be back with a finish. Okay, let's make a bow for our ornament. just add this to our ornament. And I don't like how the boat turned out. Okay, we're starting the next one, and we're going to use these aren't from the Dollar Tree, but these gems here is hard to cut apart. So I'm going to use these because I have them in my craft room. Okay, I had an extra bow from a previous ornament video. I'm going to add to this one. Okay, this is a Dollar Tree, biggest ornament I could find at the Dollar Tree. One of the biggest anyway. And I'm going to start out with some Dollar Tree gems. And I think I'm going to go with the green one, because I do have a little bit of green on this tree. So I'm going to start and put that in our center. That's to try to make it. And I may have to have some glue, hot glue behind it. Doesn't conform, so you have to force it to. That's it. We're peeling off our turquoise bling. And I'm going to start by doing this seam, because I think the seam looks terrible. We will run that along that seam. Okay. Now going to take and go this direction. That looks like I cut one too short. Then we have this here, so we can't go the same way. So I'm gonna go here. And here. That's weird. I have a gem missing. And I'll trim that off. Move that gem right here. There. And that just didn't stick, so we're gonna have to work on him again. And I may add a little bit of bling around that. I don't like that. let's try making a black bow again. I'm going to get this to hold the ribbon tight. Then I'll take the ribbon and wrap it around. Then I'll just take a bling to put in the center because I just like to do that. And then we'll add that to the top. There's our ornament.